Happy New Year! A new year. Lego Brother is here again to wish you a happy new year with Lego. Wishing the children a happy and healthy new year. Good luck and prosperity. Good fortune to all. The year of the rabbit is here. 80,111. The Spring Festival float is also Lego's Chinese New Year.
This year's new year of the rabbit head car must be a rabbit float.
The middle is the music car, right? There are people drumming, and computers, and also playing the pipa. Following that is a dragon car. Next year is the year of the dragon. Following closely behind.
There are also many minifigures celebrating the new year below.
Lego Brothers zodiac sign is also between the rabbit and the dragon.
You can guess. The building instructions are in this large envelope that looks like a package.
This is what's needed for the number 2 performance float. A sticker, 3 floats, 3 instruction manuals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So, I used 3 video episodes to finish assembling this set. The first page of the instruction manual has 3 New Year illustrations. I think it's very beautiful.
Let's take a look. Big-headed Hewer mascots. Each has it. This is the second one. The third one.
Find 2 big-headed Hewer
people, 1 male and 1 female. They are also holding New Year hanging banners.
Hanging on the left.
Leading with the right hand. Next, let's start assembling the rabbit float. There are 2 minifigures in the second bag, too. This is a lady holding a phone.
The second minifigure has very short legs.
It's a little girl. Holding a photo frame in her hands. This part looks like the moon in the sky. There are still 2 people in the third bag. The man holding the camera is the second one. A female minifigure wearing a rabbit headgear. Also holding a red lantern in her hands. Decorations on the float. Some coins to bring in wealth. The float part is assembled. Next, let's build the rabbit on the float. This is the rabbit's body. Attach the tail, the fluffy fur on the legs, the rabbit's arms. Attach the bald head. Finally, attach the 2 rabbit ears. A little white rabbit that can move is assembled. Connect the little white rabbit to the float. The little rabbit is also holding a big red envelope.
Alert! The rabbit float is assembled. Because there are drive wheels under the float, this is connected to the rabbit. So, during the float's progress,
The rabbit will also sway. Place the parade minifigures on the float's viewing platform.
the big-headed minifigure holding the Spring Festival flag, the little girl holding a photo frame. The one with the camera should be the little girl's father. He's taking a picture of the little girl.
And the mother with the phone.